welcome back with another video, and today we are going to be making some slime. So here are our ingredients. She already started to make the slime, but we have some clear glue, and we have some slime activator. Boom! And what we are going to be using is a sport glue. So I'm just gonna be mixing like, so first thing that we're gonna be needing is some glue. And then we're gonna mix it for 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we are gonna be adding some activator.
I need some.
Yeah.
And then you order this for me.
You already have slime. But okay. So let's just mix.
I want a big one. I want a big one. I want a big one.
Well, we can make a big one at the next one. So I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Can I make some slime too?
We're making a video of it.
What?
We're making a video. Oh. Duh. I mean, I never do that for your video, so stop.
Anyway, you didn't get in this video.
You put it in your hand. Comment down below if you saw his hand, please. It's so annoying. Okay, now, Vanessa, are you ready to put it in your hands?
I am too.
So put it in your hands. So, here's the slime. It has only a couple, okay? A couple of the air bubbles. And yes, we made slime. It's just a tiny bit sticky, I guess.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. She's not really into it. But please subscribe, by the way, and like and press that bell so that you never miss another video. And yeah, we're gonna be making mostly videos of slime. And comment down below if you guys love slime and you do. As you guys can see, we're starting with clear glue. And yeah, kind of sticky. Like as you can see.
I wash my hands.
She's always about washing her hands. So she's like, I'm not a towel. Okay. As you guys can see, Vanessa has cutted her hair. It looks like she has bangs, but it's not her bangs. She just cut it in. Why did she do that? Oh, I have no idea. I love you guys like me. Yeah, you're so remember. But not no. Oh my god. So, what we have here is some slime. So Vanessa is going to keep on mixing and mixing, and then I'm going to be opening the computer.
I do.
No, I'm going to be opening it. You're going to be mixing.
And you put over the one. I want my favorite
Glue?
one.
You want glue?
Yeah. I need over the one.
And then activator. Yes, we're wasting it really quick. Too much. So I'm gonna put this on the side and then up. So here is this. You just pushed it right into the camera. So here it is. It kind of has some air bubbles, but once you look at it, it doesn't have any, but it's still kind of cloudy. Like, Okay, now I see them. Okay, but I'm gonna be here tomorrow and after tomorrow. So yeah, I think it's gonna turn clear. So I'm gonna be opening it and she's gonna be playing with it.
No, you did this all.
Wait. So we have this shimmery color,
Then
kind of metallic-y or something.
What
And then we
about
have
me?
this kind of pink type of one. And then we have a blue type of shimmery. And then we have a purple one. And then we have a dark blue one. Like a dark blue metallic one.
I want some.
Wait. I want you guys to see the shimmery one. I don't know if that's not coming. Okay, and then we have this one.
I do one for mine, that yours, and that mine.
And then we have 3 left. And these ones are so cute because they are tiny little pink and white flowers, as you guys can see. Okay. Okay, and these are the last 2. So we have one tiny, like a baby pink or something. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. And then we have this last one. It's really pretty. And it's like metallic blue.
Not me.
So yeah,
Why I
let's
have little
use
one?
them.
Why I have little one?
Because Grandma is gonna
I'll do it.
I did it.
Come here. Yeah. Okay, next thing that we're gonna be having to do is glitter time. Let me just give my sister some, because look at how much I have and look how much she has. So yeah. Her slime is so pretty, but then she wanted my hard one. So you guys can pause the video and go down and say if you guys want some we'll sell the slime, these slimes until they're cleared up, and then we'll put on the shop. And yeah. No. Okay, so which slime glitter do you want, Vanessa?
I was gonna give you the cat.
Which one do you want?
I do what?
No, it's okay, Vanessa. Which glitter do you want?
I want this one.
That one?
Is this one your purse?
Okay.
I can't see it. I got photo.
Yes, it's that one.
This one?
No, just add it.
Why I have little bit? I don't know why.
Oh, wait. Wait, let me just do.
After the net one, you need that bed slime. How do I?
Okay. But this is my slime, and I'm gonna add some cute glitters in it. So what
I
I'm
get
gonna
other one.
and the ones that I'm gonna use is this one, is the first one that we did, and this one. Because I think they're gonna be really cute together. So But when it floats, the glitter is gonna look so cute. How do I take these things
Oh
out?
my God, kid.
Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to use that. Oh. Wow, that was a lot. Do you guys see that? You guys see that?
That's purple. Oh my.
Oh my god. Sorry guys, that's fun.
I think your mom has to do this. Are you with
Okay.
Wow. Right?
Wait! Vanessa, that's mine.
No, hey, I had to do that earlier.
I know her thing.
what?
It's Angela J.
No, her password.
Oh. I'm not saying that in front of the camera, so sorry.
Oh, you just pause it.
No.
I can't.
Evan.
I'll write it down.
Evan.
Okay.
It's not gonna work. Don't worry about it. I have to make you a new one. Or you surprise me.
What is it? What do you guys
Don't worry,
do?
Ariana. Evan, come here. Evan.
You guys, please subscribe to my brother's channel. He's gonna get one right now, as you guys can see. The Korean
My
thing.
brother. What? Edmund?
Yeah, I'm just talking about it.
So. Washington.
So as you guys can see, this is my slime.
And this. Let me see mine.
I'll do a swirl for you. Put it in front of the camera, please. Come on. You mostly, first of all, you were in the camera since the whole video.
I put that right here over here.
Look, this is her slime. It has tiny glitters in it. And it's so stretchy. Guys, I can stretch it for like a million things. Okay. So hers is really good, but mine will just stretch like this much. See, that much. Because it has thick glitter. And yeah, hers fine. So next thing that I'm going to use is this white one. That one. And now I have to be careful this time. Because I do not want that happening again.
And I do this one. Okay?
Wait, let me see. I'll do it.
No, I don't want that one.
Gotta do another one.
No. Okay.
This is on your mom's name. Evan, the
I know.
password.
I know that. I know it.
For Amazon?
No.
And it's not Angie J 615 at Gmail. Is that what you think it is?
No, there's a video going on. What if they want it?
What's your password?
I can't say it in front of this.
Oh, Mommy Grandma's gonna have it. She's not gonna put it on YouTube.
No, but then I'm going to say it right in front of the camera.
Evan, you have to get out of here or create a new account. Or read by yourself. Or just play it. Or just play it. No, I mean you have to get out so we can, you have to get out of the whole thing so your name doesn't come up. So we might have to delete that off of there.
Don't eat it, guys. Okay. Next one. So, let's get our bowl.
Yeah. And my one right here. Okay? Right here, okay?
And then my
Put that
slime
right here.
is going to, no, our slimes are going to be right. Your slime, my slime.
My one right
Okay.
here.
Okay, let me just sort them. Vanessa, why didn't you think to close it? You're leaving it like this. Okay, get in the camera. Why are you going right over here? Like, what the heck? Come over here and put your bangs to the side. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is make one more slime, or maybe two, or maybe 100. Okay, let's get. Wait, first I want to drink.
This guy actually has his own game.
Delicious.
Yes.
Okay. First thing we're gonna do is not activator. Glue.
Yeah, go away. Go away.
Okay, first we're gonna do Vanessa. It's like,
Hey, I want to do that one. I want to do the big
hey, it's
one.
my glue. So that much. You can't even see it. Okay. You guys know what I'm saying, right? You can't really see it. Because
Now I have what? No more, hey? Okay, I have a lot.
I'm gonna just play with my iPhone.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Ew, what is that? Ew, what is that? Literally, she's just copying me.
I know. Trying to be little and my friend.
It's messing your hair off. Okay. Literally, guys, can you guys see that? Yeah, there we go.
There.
There's nothing on yours. There's something on mine, though.
Something in mine, though.
Your ground.
Show it. Are you put chubby in there? You're sorry.
Now we're gonna add the activator.
Me do first. I do first.
Okay, more than 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I count it so good. That's how I count.
Oh my, almost. Now I see my front mouth.
Nope.
La la la. Wolf, and I made my own slime.
Yay.
Now I see my front out.
This is the one who claimed to have provided photos for Spitzer, who was then the Democrat governor.
Jump up and you white or fine.
Yes. Thumbs up. This is what she said. Thumbs up if you like our slime.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I play my final.
Keep on watching our video. Don't forget. Oh,
Yeah, bills.
yeah, and we're also.
Shut up.
We're also.
Yeah, shut up and test you love all balls. You love all bills, not all bills.
Okay, now I'm gonna play with it with my hands.
I can't.
Vanessa, you better not wash your hands
Why?
because
Independent counsel investigation if it's appeal. Yeah, because the way this thing, and
this one's like really foggy. Where's yours? Where's your sign?
Right here.
No, where's like your other one? Oh, and then hers is like kind of clear. See the difference?
because she's got something on some other guy.
Or maybe it's just because she has little
The
ones.
sleeve from that other guy.
I have no.
The other guy's going to roll up another guy, and eventually somewhere
Ready for my other one?
they'll find someone who's the goods on top. Well,
Okay, for
why do
ready?
Democrats and Republicans put up with this?
Where did you get the towel from?
I wish there were. I thought
No, 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 no,
and the outspoken about this investigation was right. Clearly knows that now
Okay.
Do that then.
independent counsel with the entire
I
weight
can do it when the video is over. Literally, we've been doing this video for a long time, sorry. But I think we're going to be only doing this one last. Because we've been doing this video for a long time.
Even without that, even
Okay, we have to do this quick.
Yeah. Emma, or clean a table.
I am puzzled that more Democrats and Republicans hatred for Trump is so broad. What I think people are forgetting the first principles is that we all have to agree on a system that's fair to all. Absolutely. We'll get into Judge Ellis and the Manafort trial a little later in the show. Mark Zuckerberg has more of your personal information than perhaps anyone in human history. He's asking banks to share their customers' financial information.
Yeah, I remember. Guys, she put in boobies on me. You see that pink thing with the flowers in it? Yeah. Yeah, that thing that just fell. Pick it up. Pick it up, girl. Why are you just dropping so? You drop it slow. You drop it slow. What's gonna be next? Oh, she fell. Yep. She made the thing fall. Then she fell. And
Hey,
she made the slime fall. She made the flower fall. And then she fell. So what does that mean? Does she have karma? Oh, what is that?
what
Okay, let's just make our stuff. So,
What one you wait?
wait.
Now we in middle.
So, guys, as you guys know,
Really?
bye bye.
Hi, Will. Make your fry more. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on.
I'm scared.
Come on.
Menace, what are you doing? No, put the cap back on. Put the cap back on. Put the cap back on. Like I'm not fighting you. Put the... It doesn't work when I can I see it? Yeah.
Upgrading their water filter to zero water. Start with water that has a lot of dissolved solids.
Give me that glitter.
Six-stage filter. Dissolved solids remain. What if you filter over and over?
I want to see some.
I love Summer.
Water's five-stage filter gets to all zeros.
Come on.
So, this means time to upgrade.
Okay.
Get more out of your water. Get zero water.
We have enough.
Sometimes
That's not what we have.
can make you feel
Yeah,
It's
well,
supposed to be like this.
but mania, such as unusual changes in the mood,
Because I have to use these.
can leave you on shaky ground.
Let's just
Help
make
take control by talking to a doctor.
this is mine. Why are you touching me? No. It's your fault.
don't get on mine. Fine. Okay? Okay? Okay. Oh, I will pause until we hear. Wait.
Or uncontrollable muscle movements which may be permanent. Side effects may not appear for several weeks.
Hear my fly by.
I need a
Yeah, but stop doing that. And I do. I do. Fly and then fly. And that. No, this is one. This. Yeah? That you're fine. That
So I can be in the middle of the camera? Yay!
And you make that fun for me.
So,
It's
this is slime.
okay.
So it's gonna be mine. So, it's really such a. Remember before? And it's like this then.
Everybody wants cheese.
is doing what Facebook does. Liberals in particular are outraged about it.
Okay, and then the
After 9/11,
mine is like
Patriot Act because they thought George W. Bush was tracking what library books people read. That sounds quaint. Facebook knows more about 2.5 billion people on the planet. Knows more about more people than anybody has ever known about anyone. Where's it going to
where
start?
are you
It's
there?
really infuriating because Facebook has within its profile as many active users as there are total members of Christianity. So we're talking about the largest entity in business that has ever existed. And their business is surveillance, they capture everything. And what's particularly
And then this
odd
one's obviously
about
like
this
the
issue
richest.
is it's not like they're going to offer you
Vanessa, what are you doing?
as a consumer bank.
What?
Have a
Why would you do that?
There's a fine.
Facebook wants to get that bigger because
There's
you
a
that bigger
Spacing
they're
out.
going to be able to manipulate your
Vanessa, are you okay?
and they're going to be able
What are
to
you
use
doing?
that data with
That's what she does.
to get paid as well.
That's not good.
I know.
My advice to
There might be something the
everyone
matter with her.
is, if by some reason your bank is going, do not do this.
And she doesn't even hear you say anything, does she?
No, she doesn't.
And
She like goes into her mind and says,
the game has changed and they use the big difference.
Why do you do that?
But there's no time to play now. I mean, I suppose they're going out.
have a
So I
nightmare.
suppose if you're your checking account to the First National Bank, somewhere in the It is very completely you would still take the little piece of software in Facebook Messenger that works with a specific bank. So you always have the ability to opt in this case. The problem with Facebook, as you pointed out, Mark, is that in so many areas you don't have any way to opt out. All this stuff has been done to you. And the sad thing is, most of us don't even realize that this has been going on. There's so much data to get, and the way it's being used, this stuff is that's where the data is coming from. You don't realize that this is and my simple point to everybody is
Why did you just being really now? Let me introduce you to my friend Elijah.
I'm not saying don't use new tech. I'm saying make sure you understand what the consequences are. When you see a product like Alexa or Google Home, which listens in your home all the time, there are a lot of reasons why that's just a terrible, terrible idea. And it's not,
So, this is
it's
how my
convenient to have
slide
the thing bring up the songs you want to listen to, but it's not worth having it spying you all the time.
No, thank you for that, Ross. It's an amazing thing that in order to the convenience of having them Justin Bieber and not Miley Cyrus, you're willing to be surveilled 24 hours a day. It's an extraordinarily well related. It's basically a 24-hour ankle bracelet for 2.5 billion people.
Only I'm not supposed to walk on the dog.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, my pleasure, my friend. Thanks so much.
Thanks
Have a
a
great
lot.
You want
weekend.
to go over there.
I California Republican congressional candidate recently learned what it's like. Companies dictate what
Oh my gosh, it got even harder.
the hell created this campaign.
What do you want? Were you being good today?
Oh my god.
You sure? Did you take the dog for a walk? When? When did you take the dog for a walk?
What?
Nighttime?
Oh my gosh, I can even feel it when it's working. Oh my gosh. That's just weird time. Did you guys first see how it was? That was just wonderful. But now it's all like this one. This one. Remember how good it was? Oh my gosh, now it's so bad.
Evan, you're kicking us.
Sorry from the background noises. It's just like family talking. It's my grandma and my brother and my sister. And if you hear dogs, yeah, those are 3 dogs. If you see my dog, remember earlier right next to me was saying pause. Yeah, who poked my slime? It's like, I did. Okay, hers is actually crunchy. Mine's just like, oh, I don't even feel it. It's like just plain slime. Why do I have to
Looking for the speaker. You're gonna put on this up, right?
Okay, so here's your slime. Whoa.
What history lives on, I find highly problematic.
Well, that's an absolutely critical point because
I'm just gonna have
underneath
some blue ones. No, pink ones. So then it matches.
and our future,
This
so
one.
they're basically
Hold on, Vanessa. Please let me take a
deciding
break.
for themselves what part of the past we're allowed. So, for example, what happened in Cambodia, some social justice pajama board Facebook decides that that can be erased, and 2.5 billion Facebook users aren't entitled to
I am
it.
just sitting here and relaxing for a second.
Took it and laid down. How rude is that?
I try to go through no
Okay, now she's walking up to her and she has her hand up.
5 days and a whole national movement in order
Okay, now she just, I thought she was gonna slap my grandma.
fusion.
She actually just did this.
I don't think that this would take 5 days and a national movement. Because my bigger concern is what if it happens 5 days before an election?
No, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely position to go public, have a much more difficult time. Elizabeth, thanks for that. Thanks for your inspiring story and your family story, and good luck in your election. Paul Manafort's criminal trial in Virginia has produced no end of excitement, thanks in part to the unusual behavior of the...
If I had to give the fun, I would be like this. How much comes out my hands? I have to give it to you. So I'm like this. I play in the ball, and then I pretend that I'm squishing. Then I squish it and it comes out. Am I smart or not? Yeah, you guys commented smart. But yeah, guys, it's been 33 hours. And this been a long video so far. So I'm still kneading in my slime. So I guess I have to go fast. I need to get the mold out of the way. And this is mine. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more glitter. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. Oh, they're tiny whiny hearts, but purple hearts. Did you see that? Cute. Okay, let me just add some blue of these. Yeah, she's playing with it. Wait, is that the new one?
Yeah.
Show them. Look at her new LOL. It has shimmery purple. So cute. Okay, now I'm wearing this like mermaid shimmery look, and it's like tealish color.
Aha. This. That. Oh. And my other friend right here. My other friend is her. That my friend, that her friend, yeah? Going down on my slime and her own slime. Right there to who was her
Kiki.
Lemmy. Kane.
You never believe it. It's been 35 hours. Oh my gosh, I have to go. I'm still making my slime, and it's been 2 hours. 6? Oh my god. It's been.
Oh no, look. I love my flower one.
I have to keep on going. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think this is gonna be the end of the video. So this is, let me show them. I'm gonna be showing you guys what slimes that we made. First is this one that I made. It's like, it has flowers, it has purple gems and blue gems in it. This one has big blue gems and some white gems. Okay.
And mine
And
is flowers.
See? And she has flowers in her. And this one, you know, has just regular little blue ones. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you guys have a great night or day, whenever it works for you guys. And bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.